Let me grab a knife. All right, so we have a Scotch egg here. Let's give. Oh, should I cut it this way, or this way?
Right in the middle.
Right down this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that normal?
I think so.
Well, there you go. They see me with my mouth full all the time. This is Mark. This is Alyssa. They're trying my Scottish eggs.
Yeah, they're actually really good. It tastes like almost like the ones in England.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, my land. Okay, y'all. They said they're partner good. I can't wait to see what Brittany thinks. So, I just tried a Scotch egg. I thought I would not like it. Y'all, it's amazing. It's really good. And you say they eat them cold?
Yeah, we eat them cold in England, as well as hot. You can eat it either way. Like, even just cold, you pick it up, because we serve it. You go to like you call it a bakery, but it's more like a Greg's, like they do sausage rolls and stuff like that. You go in there and you can just take it out the fridge and you can just eat it straight away.
Wow. It's truly amazing. Y'all?
And it's close enough to almost, it's actually better than the ones in England, actually, I reckon.
Wow. Y'all hear that?
Because they're all processed now.
Cooking with April did something. What?